In this episode, the ROUSes start a new series that will once again take them through America's Southwest. It's been a year since we've been in this fascinating part of the country, but we've just discovered that our pantry is completely run out of chili peppers, and we need to fix that.
So here we are heading back to New Mexico to load our car up with those spicy things. We've got a few interesting stops on the way there, and more on the way back to our home base in Oklahoma. In this series, we'll be searching out interesting places along the way that are scenic, and a few more places that have fascinating history.
Our first stop will take us to an amazing natural site up in the northeast corner of New Mexico. It turns out that the small town of Capulin has a big volcano. This is the home of Capulin Volcano National Monument, and we'd like to climb up there and look inside.
There is the volcano that we're heading for, and it's the famous resident of the sizable Raton-Clayton volcano field. It's an extinct cinder cone volcano that gets quite a few visitors. We'll go check in and then head up.
Luckily for us, there's a paved road that spirals around the volcano and up to the rim. We'll park near the top and then hike down inside. Hopefully, all the lava has cooled by now.
This is a well-maintained park, and the trails are in great shape. We're currently on the trail that descends into the volcano's mouth, and it will take us to the bottom of the crater. The vegetation and wildlife seem very healthy, growing alongside piles of lava rock that was once molten and ejected into that prehistoric moment.
We're now hiking the rim and on our way to the summit. The view is great up here. The volcano rises 1,000 feet from the surrounding grassland plains to a summit elevation of just over 8,100 feet. From there, they say hikers can view portions of 5 states on clear days.
After spending some time taking in the views and watching beetles hard at work, we began heading down to the Adventure Volvo. Once off the volcano, we'll be heading further southwest to explore some new places. So what's coming up on the next episode? Well, while we'll be here hiking in remote New Mexico mountains, you'll get to see some scuba diving footage from the channel's recent dive trip to Cozumel. There are beautiful reefs there, and you'll want to catch that. Then we'll be back here showing you more sights and sounds of New Mexico's rugged places.
If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to our channel. We appreciate you spending time with us as we go on our little adventures. We'll see you next time from Quintana Roo, Mexico, and the island of Cozumel. Thanks for watching.